Hello everyone. In Web3, we use different smart contracts to create our DApp projects. So for different smart contract, we require different smart contract function calls in our DApp application. Creating each smart contract function call will be repetitive. And to overcome that, you can use this library package. You can use this library to create React component for each smart contract function calls on the Ethereum network. So basically on the Ethereum network, if you have your smart contract, you can use this library and it will automatically create all the function calls as a separate React component inside a ReactJs project. How we can do that? The command is look like this. On the start, we have npx, then our package name. There are three parameters. The first one is a contract address for which we want to develop our React.js app components. Second one is the Etherscan API. It's the API used for Etherscan to get the contract details. And the third one is the network name. You can find more details in the document over here. To test on the mainnet network, we use this command, sample command. If you look into this command, we only have the smart contract address. One thing to mention as well, the Etherscan API and the network name is only required when we are using the testing networks like Gorley, Cohen, Rinkyby, etc. For the mainnet, we don't require that. Let's check this contract address on the mainnet first. As you can see, this is the contract on the mainnet. Here we have different functions called name, total supply, balance, decimal, etc. And the write functions as well, like approve, transfer from, etc. What our package will do, it will create React.js component for each smart contract function. So just copy the command and I will open Windows PowerShell over here. You can use any other terminal as you like. So just wait for the package to be installed or created. So as you can see, it's cloning the package and now all the smart contract call components has been created and the project created successfully. If you just look into the project, here we have a sample React.js project. I'm opening it with Visual Studio Code. Over here, we just open the terminal and install all required packages. Till the packages get installed, let's check the code. In the src, we have this component folder which have all the components which we use as a smart contract function calls. So here you can find like on the smart contract we have function called name. So here we have a name.js file which we'll use to call the name function call. So here we have this name as it doesn't have any parameter. So directly we have submit button, and when we click on that submit button, what it does, it will create the contract object and call its name method directly. And whatever the result we get, we will set in the value and that value will be shown over here. So like this, we have this all different smart contract calls for each function in the smart contract. And we use that as we like. We can modify that as well. Over the contract, we have the contract data with the contract address and the contract ABI. Other than this, we have this app.js main file which import all the our components that has been developed. All this code is automatically generated. We didn't do anything over here now. Just for the understanding, each React component require two parameters. One is Web3 object and the another one is wallet address. Let's wait till the installation complete. After completing the installation, just execute the command npm run start and test our project how it's working. Okay, our application is now running. Just one thing to remember, select the correct MetaMask network to work properly with the contract. So let's connect with the MetaMask wallet and now click on the name. Here we can get the name as on the smart contract. So we can try different values as well, like the total supply, etc. Let's work on the balance function. If you look into over here, you can see it has a one input called address. So currently just I will put my address over there. As I don't have any balance, it will show 0. For testing, just copy other address to find out how much balance they hold. Here we can see the balance of this account. Like this, you can work on the transaction calls as well. Like here we have approve call. So I just paste the current copied address over there and paste any value. When I click on submit, it will open my MetaMask wallet to perform the transaction. But as I don't have any gas fees to pay, so I will reject that transaction. Like this, you can use our package to work on smart contract function calls. And you can use it for testing your smart contracts as well. Thank you.